Oh man, so if y'all know what that means, I just got that Taser installed. So we gotta wait for that countdown, and we got a whole new setup on the charger, man. I got the Taser, then we got a nice little speed device coming real soon. But everything rebooting right now. I just finished going through all the settings. I might go back and change a few more things, because I think it's 2 things I skipped on because I was like, I didn't know. If you turn on the SRT option, it's going to turn on the airbag light, and I didn't want that, so I skipped on that one till I get more information on it. If they ever fix that, if there's any updates for the Taser and stuff like that. So right now it's rebooting, and then we will see what it do. Oh, there you go. Let's see. Alright, I think it's officially rebooted. I'm gonna just wait. The car is in run mode. That's loading. Alright, I think it should be good now. Y'all see the Hellcat right there? Let's turn the car on, see what happened. So I think we straight. Traction control on sport. Alright, so we got the performance page. So now I can track my 0 to 60. I can also see my 0 to 100, my reaction time. I can also see my 1/8, 1/4, braking distance, my G-forces. I don't know why they didn't say 2. Ooh, okay, fancy. My man got a Trackhawk. That didn't say supercharged, but that's not. We not here for him. But we got the peak G-forces, and then we got your lap timers. I guess you can set your lap time if you're on the track or something like that. Lap history, and then you have my top speed. So this is definitely, I'm probably gonna hit that top speed today, honestly. It's gonna be 130 until I get my tune and stuff, but definitely about to get that. That's gonna be dope. Vehicle info, I think all that stuff is still the same. Oh, you got the engine power, so I can see how much my engine makes. Engine torque, I get to see how much that makes. Let's see, speedometer thing still the same. So yeah, I think that's it. Now I think the SRT thing that I didn't turn on was over here. I'm not sure. Let me see if I put the car in sport mode. There's no differences. So I think I gotta go back and change that, because I should have like the SRT pages. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, so it got the light show option. So now like all the lights flash in the back and stuff like that. So we have that. That's pretty cool. Let me see, I can't hold my camera and do this. So it's like different options and stuff. It's crazy, it makes sounds and stuff. That's weird. I don't like that. It sound weird. This is like I got my hazards on. Go look at the scoreboard. You got that. I don't think I'm ever gonna use it, but I guess it's a cool feature to have. But I don't think I'm ever gonna use that. I don't like the way it sound on the inside. So we gonna keep going through the pages. I wonder, can I only do this when I'm in this mode? Yeah, light show off. Yeah, we can go do that for right now. Ooh, I can actually see my car now. That's dope. So that changes that. So the airbag warning still popped up. So I said F it and turned it on. So I did turn on eco mode as well. All that stuff is set to yes. English, paddles, yes. Steering, NA. Drive mode is SRT. Drive trans, yes. Shift light, yes. Eco mode, yes. Radio, we gonna skip that. Lighting, we already went through that. Comfort, I think I need to go back through here. Splash, Hellcat. Bell ding, I want to turn that off. Easy exit, we go turn that off, I don't really care about that. And I think that is it. So now the car's gonna reboot again, and then we'll get to see what I have. I don't know about the SRT pages though. I want to see if I can turn that on. Hopefully what I just turned on will turn on the SRT pages, because that's what I really wanted it for, was for the SRT pages. And then now, if anybody knows anything about the airbag thing, let me know, because I definitely want to get that off ASAP. Because nothing wrong with my airbag, so we don't want that light on just for no reason. Alright, so it rebooted again. Like I said, it has the airbag warning, but now it has a red key. And it did pop up with the SRT Hellcat logo, but I didn't know it was going to pop up with it, so I missed it. Still don't know about the SRT pages though. I'm going to see. I might have watched another video real quick and see what happens, but let's turn the car on. Like I said, it's going to pop with the airbag warning. But yeah, now everything is red. The red gauges and stuff. And then let me go watch this video on this SRT pages real quick. So yeah, big shout out to my boy. You already know the vibes. You know, it wouldn't be possible without him. You feel me? Nice. So now he taught me some things. You know, I don't gotta scatter nothing. So he know where the buttons at. So I ain't even have to watch the video. He came over here. He's like, yo, you set up your pages? I was like, so look, we gonna hit up drive modes, and now we actually get to see the actual joint. I get an eco mode too.
You get eco mode too, bro.
Oh yeah, so we better. Definitely, I'm gonna do an eco. So can you, how you do your setups? You have default.
All right, what you wanna do?
Oh yeah, hold on. Definitely, I can't. Can I really get track mode? Oh nah. Level 1 available in default mode. Select custom mode. So how?
Oh no, go back. All right. Go to custom. At the top. Then go to custom.
So I can't turn my traction. My traction gonna stay.
Your
street.
traction gonna stay. I will put that at like sport.
It's gonna stay at street. I mean, I can put it at sport, I guess.
Yeah. But yeah, that's your custom shit. Then you can do your custom setup.
All right, bet. So train's gonna be track, and then
your traction ain't gonna be tracked though.
It's not.
I don't think so. So yeah, I would definitely put it as sport.
Oh, it's gonna turn that thing off. Oh, we about to get dangerous. We about to get dangerous. So yeah, he said I might not have track mode, so I'm gonna keep it on sport just for safety. And then, boom. So that's the custom right there. That's actually pretty goddamn dope. And I got a valet mode. No clue. I have an RT. It's not an RT Plus or the blacktop edition, just a regular RT. So I'm not sure exactly what I can do. I'm gonna do some more research, but for now this is gonna be my custom setup. Let's see, we got race options, launch control. I know something about RT launch control that we gotta mess around with. So these are the SRT pages though. I have a valet mode, eco mode. Definitely be running the eco a lot, honestly, because why not? Save some gas, you feel me? So that's what's up. So that's my custom. So if I ever switch from it, it's always gonna go. So yeah, that's a bet. So we about to get something to eat, though. But we got the Taser set up, man. We got the Taser set up. So now we about to go eat. I'll see you on the next one, man. Oh man, let's look at this startup real quick. Yeah, look at the Hellcat logo. Only sad part is that freaking airbag, but we all good. Yeah. But man, that joint look nasty. And then we go to the drive modes. Did it start up in custom? Now it's in default, but we can put it in custom. That's dope. in sport mode.